Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to use wireframes from GreenShift in WordPress-Blocksy. Okay, so we'll start here on our dashboard, and typically when we install Blocksy and use content blocks and the starter site, it's going to come with GreenShift automatically. Okay, so let's go ahead and start using wireframes. Let's get to the meat and bones of it. On the left-hand sidebar over here, let's hover over pages and click on Add New Page, just so we have a blank slate. Now, you can do this with an existing page, but for teaching you how to use them, we're going to start with a blank slate here. And on this upper right-hand side here, you can see this pancake-looking icon called GreenShift Helpers. Click on that and click on Templates. Now we have layout, sections, and wireframes. Now, what are the differences between these? Now, layouts are basically full-on websites, well, web pages, I should say, and when we preview it, you can see that we have top all the way to bottom, and all that's missing are the headers and footers, basically. And when we have sections, these are basically just sections. So, let's use the free one just so we can condense this. And let's say user reviews. Let's go ahead and preview that. And you can see there isn't anything else except this section here. So layouts, sections. What about wireframes? Wireframes, well, this is a term used also with other themes and block sets. But as you can see, especially on this one, or maybe this one, it's going to become blank, right? 480, 420, and then there aren't any colors, and it looks very bare. That's why I've called wireframe, because you'll have to fill everything in yourself, okay? Now, this is for the more advanced user, and there are quite a fair bit of options, and you don't have, you can use the sections one and the layouts one, even if you are an advanced user, but typically we use wireframes when we know what kind of structure we want and we already have the content lined up. So let's go ahead and add a few of these, right? So just click on import, and let's see if we can attempt recovery. And you can see, even if these are wireframe templates, they still come in with some sample photos. Right, so let's go ahead and click on free. Let's put category grid, right? And we can move these up and down, right? And then we can also add, let's say, call to action text, okay? And what you're going to want to do next is to click on settings over here, and you can see we have our blocks here. If I clicked on this one, you can see we have the image, and we can replace the image with something from our library. So let's say one of our products, so clear power bank over here, replace the image with, it takes a bit of time to load, with one of our smartphones. And then, well, hopefully, there we go. And this one, maybe with a tablet, if we can find it, with a kickstand, there we go. And so on and so forth. And then if we wanted to change the text to clear power bank, smartphone, tablet, and then we can change animations for these, the hover styles, and then likewise for this, we can change what the content is, right? Enable or disable dynamic content, but we have to add the query one. We can also just manually input this as latest Oops. Okay, hopefully there's no typos on that one. Okay, and then it should, there you go, latest products over there, and then shoes, and so on and so forth. And then for these ones, you just have to click on this and put, welcome to website assets. Or maybe I should, okay, there you go. And that's just an example, and we can change all of our text styles and stuff over here. And that's basically our wireframes. So that's how you use them. We can go ahead and publish this and see how it looks like. Now, I could go ahead and change everything here, but just for the sake of this video, this is how you access and actually change the things on the wireframe blocks. Okay, so let's take a look at it on our live site. And you can see we have our header here, and we have the wireframe that we just put in, and we have the images that we replaced, and the stock ones, of course, and how it would look like on our site here. And obviously, we have to change these images, as well as our call to action over here, and then our trending now widget, and then our actual footer. So there's using wireframes from Greenshift and WordPress-blocks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.